something?
Yeah, like paint thinner.
Dude, this is the weirdest place ever. Where are we at?
We're in the middle of nowhere. Crescent, Junction, Utah.
There's nothing here in Utah. It's all flat, and I don't know if you can see over there. That's like mountains. There's some mountains. It says it's Area 52. Your boy got permission from the guy in there to get a little bit of film, so we're gonna get a sneak peek in there, so that's pretty cool. It's so weird. It's SpongeBob characters too.
Like, I bet you this place looks crazy at night. You can't have it.
Oh no, you tried to dip pants and he has got no pants.
No.
Marshmallow Man's dabbing our haters that give us thumbs downs. If you guys want to see something different or don't like what you see, comment below and we'll change it. We do this for you guys, so what you guys want to see, we're gonna go and do it.
We'll never stop our explorative nature.
No, you know what you need to do?
What?
Eat more bananas.
That's death for me, one. I will come over here and play at this hole real quick, though.
It looks weird all up close. Oh, that's like one of those rocks in Arizona.
Yeah. A butte.
A butte?
I don't know.
Buttes? Is this the Old West, bro?
This is the Old West.
Look at that scenery. I can see your boy back here with this.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
You guys are gonna want to do anything in the store, I'd do it now because I want you guys doing it when there's customers in there.
We get permission to go do that thing, so is that our squad? Let's do that thing. Wow. Welcome to our world. Aiden would love to see this. Check out WWE Toy Review, that's my son's YouTube channel. It's pretty cool. What is this?
They say it's the best jerky in the universe.
In the universe?
In the universe. Yoda says that it's good. It must be good.
Yoda wants you to try him.
Nope.
Cheers. Alright, man. Thanks for letting us come in here and film.
A Savage Squad Explorer.
Thanks, man.
Appreciate it, bro.
That ain't going anywhere.
Nah, it ain't going nowhere. Oh, dude, this is one of them old vans that has the bed and everything in it.
Can you see it?
Bro, you can just barely see through there. It's like got shag carpet and everything. A shaggy wagon.
Alright, you guys, that's gonna be a quick. Alright, you guys, that's a quick place on this.
Have you ever had a dream that
That's a quick place on this journey.
This is weird, different. Hey, Shaggy. Hey, Scoop. And if you see anything else cool like this,
We're gonna stop. We've got many, many places left to hit.
I love you guys. Live your life.
Love yourself.
And we'll see you on the next adventure.
Peace.